Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Well, what if I told you there's a tool that can help you generate human-like responses to text-based prompts and earn money from the comfort of your own home? I'm talking about ChatGPT, a powerful tool developed by OpenAI. In this video, I'm going to reveal several ways that you can use ChatGPT to make money online. So, if you're ready to start earning money using this amazing tool, then keep watching. You won't want to miss this. Number 1. Writing and editing. Are you an aspiring writer or editor looking for a way to make money using your skills? Well, with ChatGPT, you can take your writing and editing to the next level. As a writer, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas, create outlines, and even draft entire articles or blog posts. With its human-like responses, ChatGPT can help you save time and come up with new ideas. As an editor, you can use ChatGPT to proofread and improve existing content. You can also use it to suggest new ways to rephrase sentences or add additional details to the content. With ChatGPT, the possibilities for writing and editing are endless, and you can start making money using your skills today. Number 2. Social media management. Do you spend a lot of time on social media and know how to create engaging content that drives traffic and engagement? If so, then you can use ChatGPT to offer social media management services and make money online. With ChatGPT, you can generate responses to comments and messages, schedule posts, and monitor engagement. To get started, you can create a profile on a freelance platform and offer your social media management services. You can also reach out to local businesses or entrepreneurs and offer to manage their social media accounts. With ChatGPT, you can save time and focus on creating quality content that will attract new followers and increase engagement, while earning money for your social media management services. Number 3. Translation services. Are you fluent in multiple languages and looking for a way to make money online? With ChatGPT, you can offer translation services to clients quickly and accurately. Whether you need to translate documents, emails, or social media posts, ChatGPT can help you generate translations that are accurate and precise. To get started, you can create a profile on a freelance platform and offer your translation services. You can also reach out to companies that operate in multiple languages and offer your services. With ChatGPT, you can save time and provide high-quality translation services to clients around the world, while earning money for your expertise in multiple languages. Number 4. Chatbot development. As businesses increasingly turn to chatbots for their customer service needs, you can use ChatGPT to develop customized chatbots for clients. By utilizing ChatGPT's responses as templates for the chatbot's conversational flow, you can quickly and efficiently create chatbots that meet your clients' needs. To market your chatbot development services, you can create a website showcasing your skills and offering examples of your work. Another approach is to partner with marketing agencies or businesses that specialize in chatbots, who can refer clients to you. With ChatGPT, you can develop chatbots that meet clients' specific needs while earning a lucrative income as a chatbot developer. Number 5. Customer support. Another way to use ChatGPT to make money is by offering customer support services. With ChatGPT, you can generate responses to customer inquiries and provide assistance to clients remotely, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to cut costs. To market your customer support services, you can create a website that showcases your skills and offers examples of your work. Another option is to network with other freelancers and potential clients through online communities, such as LinkedIn or Slack groups. You can also search for job postings on remote job boards, such as remote.co or FlexJobs, to find companies that are hiring for customer support roles. By utilizing ChatGPT to provide customer support, you can offer businesses an affordable and effective solution while earning a steady income as a remote customer support specialist. To sum up, ChatGPT is an exceptional tool that can aid you in earning a decent income online. Its versatility makes it useful for various fields, including writing, social media management, translation, chatbot development, and customer support. The potential for earning money through ChatGPT is significant, and with dedication and hard work, you can establish a thriving online business. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope the information provided here will prove useful to you.